So Mr. Henry's going to keep a couple dates. Number one, next Tuesday, September the 9th at 1:30 p.m. We'll call that a trial status. So the record is clear on this. If there's going to be some sort of resolution, it has to be Tuesday afternoon. I can't take it Wednesday morning because I'm going to have the jurors here. There's simply too much human resources involved with this. And if Mr. Henry's case does resolve, and again, to repeat what I said yesterday, it doesn't matter to me whether it does or it doesn't. I have a couple other murder trials that are in line with in custody defendants, and I will use those jurors.
Not bring him here at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, just sign it. We'll give you a blank order. Just fill it out that says I need him here Tuesday, September the 9th at 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Mr. Henry, Tuesday would be the last day you're dressed like that. If we go forward with the trial on Wednesday, I need you in your trial clothes, okay? Dress for trial on Wednesday. We're going to have jurors here Wednesday. And then he has, besides the September 9th date at 1:30, he keeps his trial dates for September the 10th at 9 o'clock.
I don't need an order for 1:30 at all, for lunchtime.
However you want to write it up.
Yeah, when it's 1:30, they usually bring on the afternoon bus.
Yeah,
When
that's
they bring-
what
yeah.
They'll walk over.
Yeah.
I'll take care of it. When?
Yeah, just,
When I need it.
okay.
Thank
Okay, very good. I already sent you preliminary jury instructions. For the benefit, Mr. Haddad might be the only person I haven't done this with. Mr. Nascimento did it some years ago, but I bet he remembers. And Ms. Collins did it far more recently. But on Wednesday, the only thing I'm going to do is march in 5 panels of 50 at a time. I'm going to have the same trial schedule without the case information sitting in each chair. So they're going to be told that I need them from September the 10th through up to and potentially October the 10th, Friday, October the 10th. There's 2 court holidays in there, Tuesday, September the 23rd, and Thursday, October the 2nd. I'm going to talk to each of those jurors regarding their ability to serve only as to the statutory reasons that I can excuse them. Regarding the schedule only, the lawyers won't have to say anything on Wednesday, September the 10th. Once I get 60 people is the maximum that I can see in here for a jury panel. So if and when we arrive at 60 people that tell me that they can serve, they're going to be numbered 1 through 60. They're going to come back Thursday morning. When you all leave here Wednesday, you will have a copy of my questionnaire that they have filled out. It's going to be numbered 1 through 60 and a seating chart so you know where each of those jurors are going to sit. And then starting Thursday morning, we are only going to address those jurors by their numbers. I have lanyards numbered 1 through 60. District Court Deputy is going to pass them out every morning. He's going to collect every afternoon when we're done with the jury selection process. So we're not going to refer to anyone's name on the record. State, you'll know the names because you'll have the list. Defense, you'll know the names because you'll have the list. And I know the names. But again, pursuant to the pretrial orders that I've already entered, everyone's continued to be ordered. We're not going to disclose those names to anyone else. If any of the jurors' names are otherwise released to the public in any way, shape, or form, because I've already ordered the clerk not to do that as well, I am going to conduct an investigation and determine where the names are released from. And if I find out that someone has violated any of those pretrial orders that I entered, I will conduct an indirect criminal contempt proceeding immediately. So I would highly hope that everyone will comply with those orders. We're only going to refer to the jurors by number starting Thursday morning. I think that's it. State, anything else you need me to address before we recess until Tuesday at 1:30?
No, you aren't.
Defense, anything else that you need me to address until Tuesday at 1:30?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to see Mr. Henry next Tuesday, September the 9th at 1:30 p.m. Division, Ms. Wilcox, that concludes Division FT for today. Division FT is going to be in recess until Tuesday, September the 9th at 8:45 a.m. I hope y'all have a good rest of your morning. All right. Mr. Court report. That is it.